Hey guys, thanks for checking out my channel. Let's get right into it. Before you start seamless extensions, make sure the hair is nice and straight. If it's not straightened already, go ahead and use a flat iron just to make it straight. Makes it more easier and also more manageable. Here I'm using Marvin Hayes seamless tape extensions. I'm show you that after I go ahead and glam her up a little bit. I personally just love someone to look at their absolute best. So put a little bit of makeup on her. And as I finish up, whippity doo, her eyes is all over the place. Oh my gosh, but it is super funny. It's crazy how this time lapse works. All right, so now once I install the seamless tape extensions, now I'm going through and just give it some curl, give it some life, give it some body and movement, and also volume. So there you have it. This is a seamless hair extensions, quite versatile. You can pretty much pull it up, pull it down, pretty much do anything you would like to, just like it's your hair. If you have finer hair, you just want to make sure that they're not put too close to the edge so your seams won't show, so you won't see anything whatsoever. It lays quite flat. There you have it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm definitely going to go through and at some point put another video slower motion so you can actually see how it's actually installed and all that great stuff. But you can, as you can see, it's quite versatile. You're able to style and manipulate your hair the way you would like it to be. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Yeah, she's loving her hair. As you can see how versatile her hair is. Thank you. Make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe. Don't forget to turn those notifications on so you won't miss a good update.